Welcome and peace be with you. In this video, let's go ahead and create a twin out of this picture. This is Mrbeast. But listen, I'm going to be making use of 4 different tools for this, okay? The first one is going to be Google itself. Then I will go ahead and make use of this web application Photopea. It is an editing application. Then the next tool is gonna be snipping tool. Finally, the hover zoom plus, an extension I added to my Google Chrome. When I place my cursor on this picture, this is what the hover zoom plus does, as you can see. I will go ahead and click on that snipping tool so that we can get hold of the picture that we're gonna be making use of. Okay, so right now I will go for the delay and go for 5 seconds. Then after that I will click on the new and place my cursor on that image and wait for the snipping tool to come up. So here is the snipping tool. As you can see, I will left click and hold down the mouse in order to select the portion that I want. I will keep on going. I think here is enough. I will release my finger and this is what I have. Okay, so right now I will go for Photopea and go for, you can either go through file and new or just go for this new project here. So right now you can choose your dimension, okay, from here, the width and height. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and make use of all these, already made dimensions. I will go for a YouTube cover, which is 2560 by 1440. I will go ahead and click on create. And this is what I have. So let me change the background color. I will go ahead and right click on that background layer, go for blending options, then go for color overlay. I will click, and here I will have to select a color. Let me go ahead and choose this one and click OK and OK. So let me untick the transform controls. I will go ahead and open the snipping tool to get a copy of this image. I will go for edit, copy, then I will go back to Photopea. I will go ahead and click on edit and then paste. So this is what we have. So what I will do right now is to go activate this transform controls. But before then, let me go ahead and use my keyboard. I will use the Control key and letter J to get a duplicate of this image. The Control key and the letter J. Have a look at the layers here. We can see that we have the layer 1 and the layer 1 copy. So what we have to do right now is to go activate the transform controls. And then I will go ahead and hold down the shift key on my keyboard. Holding down the shift key, I will take this from this angle. I will left click and drag it to the right. Let me go for confirm and go for, let me uncheck the transform controls. And this is what we have. So right now, both of them are not together. Both of them are not together. We have to combine them together. And how do we do that? Just, you can see that here, the first layer is already highlighted. Just go hold down the shift key on your keyboard to select both of them. I will hold down the shift key and click on the second layer. You can see that both of them are highlighted. Then I will release my finger and go for layer up here and scroll down to merge layers. Right now you can see both of them are the same. I can double click to change the name if I want. So right now let's go and activate the transform controls, and then using the left click, I will left click and hold down and get it resized. So you can see how I made a twin Mrbeast. Okay, a twin Mrbeast. So that is it for this video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and God bless you.